Hello. Surprising, there's voice. Ooh. Anyway, let's get to the point. This is a unboxing video. Let's see what's inside. I mean, judging you've read the title and saw the thumbnail, you should hopefully know what it is. This is first vlog. Ooh. Never unboxed a box like this with one hand. So, getting there. So, if we have a look inside, we should see that there is a console. So, alright, I'm going to be back in a second when it's all done, so I'll do a smooth hand. There we go. Oh, isn't editing cool? Yes, this is Europe. So, Sega Dreamcast. I've been excited for ages for this thing to arrive. So, yes. Right, it's got a bit of weight to it, you know. That's very white. That's really good. I was expecting it to be quite yellowed. Oh, buttons. So much better than modern day consoles that have that disc inserting mechanism inside of it. Controller. How else are you supposed to play the controller? I think everyone knows this thing. It's like a little Game Boy. That's what I always thought. VMU, memory card, in. So, let's get this out of its bag, shall we? God. Who knew it was hard with one? Sorry, technical difficulties. Stop recording. How else are you supposed to play without a controller? Anyway. Could do with a bit of spring cleaning. That trigger's nice. That's some... I mean, I'm used to Xbox, so... I mean, the colours won't mess me up. Like the start button. Switch hands. I mean, yeah, that'll take a bit of getting used to. I mean, shouldn't be long to get used to. But that's some supplies and stuff. Really handy. Gonna get it to my TV. Although my TV's old model, so I don't need an adapter yet. But I will get one, and there will be Dreamcast game videos. So this is like the little subtle hints that coming up there will hopefully be some Dreamcast videos. VMU. Oh, that's such a satisfying click. Looks cool with the VMU in it. I've got one thing already in here. Rumble pack. So if we put that one in, you just, oh no, you're playing Daytona USA and you crash into a wall. I mean, controller ports, hopefully I can get a bit of cleaning on it. I mean, there could be a little, there could be a little bit of cleaning, but I mean, as for like yellowing, which as I'm in the UK, you can't really get your hands on hydrogen peroxide. Good. I don't know about the laser. I really hope that's good. That's the only thing I'm worried about. So, first game I've got already. I already have. That is Adventure 1. No, you thought it'd be Adventure 2. That's far too expensive. Maybe one day, but I expect to see some of this. Maybe maybe in the future, some other Dreamcast games. Anyway, peace. You actually thought I'd leave you waiting. That was just a joke. I need to show you guys when it's plugged in before I go. Anyway, plugged in, so let's get Rumble Pack in the controller with the visual memory unit. Good clicks. I do like those clicks. I'm gonna put the wire around the other way. I'm gonna turn the TV on. I'm gonna get Adventure 1. So I'll also plug that in to the port. There we go. So now we get Adventure 1 again. Get the disc out. Open the console up. Moving parts are so good. Let's get that in. Yeah, it moves. So pop that down. You get me user I'm injured. Such a good boot up screen. Laser. Gonna do it. That's what I like about the old laser. Okay, we'll go 60 hertz. That's Adventure 1 right there. Really good for the time, Dreamcast. Way ahead of its time. So shall we all not ignore that perfect chaos just kills everyone? Right, should be content on Dreamcast soon. So we'll leave this to go through. And there should hopefully be content on the Dreamcast soon. Hopefully I can get an adapter or Dreamcast HDMI. Is this better open your heart or live and learn? What's better? Anyway, on that note, let's go. Right, should be content soon. Peace, for real.